Hey guys, Carl King here, King Print Design. Today we're going to talk about variable data, but today's variable data is going to be on the laser, specifically Trotec using Ruby software. So let's get started. So today, this is my placard. I'm going to be doing it on acrylic. I've got a black acrylic going to be engraving to white. So the size of my sheet is going to be 3x9. That's going to be the cutout. So to do all this, of course, I use Google Sheets for doing all this. In Google Sheets, here's my data. And just give it a little name. I use 2" because I want something small and simple, easy there. Name the title as Cully Mechanical. You're going to go to File. You're going to download this as a CSV and save that. Okay, so now we'll go back to my Ruby. Go to here. I'm going to save my for now. So you go to here and you download your mechanical, whichever you want. Download it so it comes back in. So I've got a copy. So now we're going to go back to our design. Was not it. So from here on my new design, I want to go and I want to click right here, add dynamic data. You get this box. You're going to click right here. This is the one I want. So I'm going to put add selected. It comes in like this. So first things first, I want this to engrave, but I'm going to size it. So I want it to be 3 inches tall by 9 inches wide, which is the same as it automatically centered it for me. I want to use Helvetica by itself, and we're going to make it bold. I want it at 200 because I want my letters to be 2 inches tall. So now from there, you can also go here and you can have it stretch it or fit it. If you just have a size and you just want it to fit to the box, it'll change the dynamic data to fit that area. You can have a barcode put in, whichever. But for my doing, this is what I want. I also got to change it to black because that's what's going to engrave. So we're going to create the job. Now here, I'm going to go down here and I want to do, okay, so here's my acrylic. So now everything's highlighted. It's good color, so you know that's the setting. So from here, click on the item and you see your little add dynamic data thing again. So here it'll show you what it's physically going to be doing, what it's looking like. So every time you click this, it's changing to match your dynamic data. So I know so we're good there. I know that it's all there. Now I want to go and do this. I know my sheet's going to be 24 inches wide. So I can only go 2 wide. And I'm 24 tall. So I can do that right there. Let's see. All right. So you look at that and you're like, oh no, it doesn't show me so hold on. Now we're going to queue it up. Now from the queue, you go here. We're going to roll down here to the bottom. This new design. So this is all that data that I had. So there's going to be 3 1s, 3 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, 5 6, and the F1. So that's exactly what's going to laser out on my sheet. So all you got to do from here is go to the laser, put your material in there, and line everything up the way it needs to be, and hit go, and you will get all your dynamic data. It'll laser it out, it'll cut it out. You're good to go. So if this helped you at all, please give me a like and a follow. Leave me a comment if you think something needs to be changed, or if you have a better way. I'm always looking for information on making my life easier and more efficient. So thanks again for watching. I'm Carl King with King Print Design. Have a great day.